Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So this is Smartlayer guys. Smartlayer, this is a wait list and their airdrop is actually confirmed. All you have to do is to register with your email. When you register with your email, you confirm your email, then you join their Discord and then you earn more points. Do you understand? I'm actually going to show you guys. See, here is your SL pass which allows you to. So guys, when you register, you join their Discord and then you join their Twitter to be getting updates guys. You earn more points. And also once you register, you screenshot this pass now. This pass, do you understand? You screenshot it and then share it to their smart pass on Discord. I'm actually going to show you how to go about that guys. So guys, once you're done with the registration, I'll be leaving the invite. I'll be leaving the registration link on this video description. So guys, if you didn't see it on this video description, sorry about that. You check comment section. We're actually going to see it. Do you understand? So once you're done with the registration, you screenshot this interface now. Do you understand? This interface actually covered your email. Your email will be showing here guys. You know, so you just screenshot it like that and then you send it to I'll show you how to do that guys. So that this is how to end the app. This point, once you're done with the registration, you verify your email, you earn points, and these points will be converted to their token guys. This airdrop is actually confirmed. I've been following this project for few months now and I've actually made my research. Do you understand that you can actually do your own research? So guys, this is it. Quest 1, confirm email. You have sent you an email. Like when you just complete it, you earn point. Quest 2, add to your Google. Like you just click on it, it will redirect you to your Google Play Store. Do you understand? If you're using Apple phone, if you're using iPhone, it will be easier for you. But if you're using Android, when you click on it, it will redirect you to your Google Play Store. Do you understand? Then if you have a Google Pay, it will connect automatically. Then you will be verified. Then you're actually going to earn points. You understand? Then you join their Discord. When you join their Discord, you're actually going to earn. You say connect to Discord and join our server to earn 150 points, guys. And with these points you actually earning, you'll be converted to their token, guys. This project will be going live soon, so just hop on it. I'll be leaving the link to register on this video description guys. If you are seeing this video on TikTok, go to my TikTok profile. You see a YouTube icon there, click on it. It will redirect you to my YouTube channel. So guys, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. So do wait to subscribe. Scroll down to my channel. There are other important videos that you're actually going to benefit from. So guys, you follow them on Twitter, you earn 100 points. Follow us on Twitter to earn 100 points. All these points will be converted, guys. If you did Akim airdrop, if you don't know about Akim airdrop, go and do research about Akim airdrop. This was how Akim airdrop. The Akim airdrop one was just to register, then invite people. But this very one now, you just follow them on Twitter, you earn points. Akim airdrop, how many points did I even get? So guys, the Akim airdrop was like all these points you gathered to be converted to their token, guys. So earn points, bro. Just register. Once you're done with the registration, join their Twitter, follow them on this, join their Discord. Do you understand? And then you invite friends. I'll be leaving this code now on this video description. So guys, I'll be leaving this link on this video description. So once you're done with the registration, you can actually invite your friends. See, invite your friends to join SL and earn extra points when they activate their passes. Do you understand, guys? So this is just it. And then the last one is just to make a tweet. I've actually performed all these tasks. You can actually see that. I'll show you my points. So guys, you can actually see that I have 940 points. So the more tasks you perform, sorry about that, the more tasks you perform, you earn. So once you are done with the registration, guys, let me show you now. Once you are done with the registration, this is what you have to do. Once you scroll up to this interface, just screenshot this now. Do you understand? When you screenshot this, Just screenshot it, and then you go to you must have joined their Discord. Oh. So let me take you to their Discord to show you where to actually post this. So guys, once you join their Discord, you need to verify yourself. Let me show you. Once you join, you will see verify. Do you understand? You will not be all these options now. You will not be there. What you're actually going to see is verify. Do you understand? Then you click on that blue sign. Just verify yourself. Then when you take that screenshot that I told you about now, come to Smart Pass. You scroll down. This is it. You will see share your Smart Pass. Do you understand? So when you click on it now, you see. Do you see that? Do you see that something like that? So you take a screenshot, then something like this. Now you can actually see that. You post it. Just make sure that your email is actually showing. It's just your mail, so that once the airdrop, do you understand? Once they will start sharing up the airdrop, all you have to do is to log in with your email. Then you already know that your email is actually verified, and that way you earn your airdrop, guys. So once you take a screenshot, you can see so many people here, different countries. You understand? You can actually see their flag. So for you to see now that this is Nigerians, if you once you are done with the registration, you come to your own country, guys. This is Nigeria. When you come to Nigeria now, all you have to do, you can actually see it. People are actually chatting, gisting. You can actually get updates here about crypto. Do you understand? Do you understand? So guys, that's just it. So once you join their once you join their Discord, that's it. You can join their general chat. You can see announcements. Do you understand? To get notified. This is their general chat, guys. So guys, I'll be leaving the link on this video description. So if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. So guys, do well to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. If you are seeing this video on TikTok, go to my TikTok profile. You will see a YouTube icon there. Always endeavor to see any video that I post. Try to see it to the end so that you don't make mistake or start asking questions, guys. So that will be all for now, guys. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.